Hello, this is Gio. Hey, the Gio family's doing some traveling and we're kind of staying in a BRB or VRBO type of a condo. And I kind of noticed this little kitchenette. And there's something in particular I want to show you about this kitchenette. Sorry about the shaky video. I am doing this on my phone, but I just wanted to show you this. There's a little sink here where you can kind of do dishes, but where do you dry the dishes? Well, I noticed this in-cabinet kind of drip tray right here, which you can open up, and you can see there is a little place for your plates, cups, etc., and they could all drip down to this little tray here. And so the water kind of accumulates there, things dry naturally, it stores really well, you don't have to transfer it from the drying rack to the cabinet, but you could also pull out this tray here and let it naturally drip down to the sink area. So you could either do it two ways. The tray here, which you can see a little bit of water left in, or just keep it open and let everything air dry and drip down. I think this is really neat. I've heard about these before, but never seen them. I'm not exactly sure where you can purchase these, but hey, if you're interested, they are out there and they are really neat. So there you go. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.